I have made over $90,000 in 2025 by selling digital products, and I have done it without spending a single dollar on running ads. In this video, I will show you exactly how you can do it as well by following my complete free strategy that can be set up in less than 24 hours even if you're starting from zero. So let's dive in. Okay, let me be the first one to tell you that you only need to understand 3 things to start selling digital products through social media, and once you understand how these 3 things are interconnected, you will be amazed. The first thing that you need is a source of traffic. I've been posting content on Instagram and YouTube. I started posting on Instagram in January 2024 and I have around 10,000 followers at the moment, and now it has become my best platform for generating the leads. It allows you to post short form content in the form of reels and the carousels, and you can actually connect with your followers on a daily basis by posting stories. And now if you're listening to this and if you're like,
oh, Instagram? How will I show up in front of camera? I have never done it before.
And to be honest, I get you. Even when I started, it was my very first time posting videos on social media, and to be honest, I was literally underconfident. But you know what is the best part? Posting content on Instagram is absolutely free and you don't have to spend any money to run ads. I mean, I have never done that. Now, I do teach it all inside my course and community, which is Passive Creators Hub, on like different types of content that you should post so that you can attract qualified leads and then convert your leads into the customers. But since you are watching this video right now, I will just give you a quick overview on how to post content on Instagram so that you understand it and then get started. The first step is that you need to come up with the niche so that you know what type of content you want to put on your Instagram. Then you are going to come up with some subtopics under your niche. For example, if your niche is nutrition for beginners, your sub-niches or subtopics can be breakfast recipes, protein intake, balanced meals, and so on. Similarly, if your niche is job hunting, your sub-niches or keywords can be resume templates, resume tips, interview strategies, and so on. Once you write these keywords down, go to Instagram's search bar and type in these keywords one by one. In this way, you will be able to find viral or outlier videos of the people who are in the same niche as you. Ultimately, you will be able to understand what is the type of content that is actually working or what your audience actually likes. Now, as I said, of course, I have a very in-depth process inside my course and community, which is Passive Creators Hub, and I literally walk you through each and every part that you need to keep in mind when it comes to content creation and posting on Instagram. But overall, you just have to find your niche, find the viral videos that are already working, and then start creating similar videos but in your own style. And now, if you want to understand how to find your niche, then go ahead and grab my niche clarity workbook. The link is in the description. Now, the second step of this 3 parts process to sell your digital products for free is to have something to offer for free and then build your email list. An email list is the list where you have the contacts of all the people who have grabbed your free product by exchanging their email address. Obviously, to make all of this possible, you will need a software that can manage all of it, because later you will also start sending emails to your email subscribers. And I know there are a lot of softwares available out there, but to be honest, as a beginner, their subscriptions can be really high. But here, I would like to recommend a software that you can use absolutely for free for up to 2,000 email subscribers. So technically, there is no limit on the number of days, weeks, months, or years to use this software for free. But as soon as you hit 2,000 email subscribers, they will offer you to upgrade your plan, but that too for a very affordable option, and that is $17 a month. And then it goes up to $97 a month as well, but it depends on how many features you use. And to be honest, you don't really need a $97 plan for like a long time. So that software that I'm talking about here is the exact one that I use and absolutely love, and that is called Systeme.io, and you can actually get your free account from the link that I'm going to provide in the description. I actually use this software for literally everything: to build my email list, to send emails on automations, to build my funnel, whether it's a checkout page, sales page, info page, squeeze page, or even host my digital products. I literally do it all inside Systeme.io. video. Now your question might be, okay, then how do I actually grow my email list? Well, it is very simple and I've already asked you for the same. You remember when I said that my niche clarity workbook is in the description? That is how I actually grow my email list on daily basis. Because whenever someone would want my free product like that niche clarity workbook or my digital product starter kit, they will be prompted to enter their name and their email address first, and then in return they will get my free product and I will get their email contact. Obviously, the free product can be anything like a PDF, an ebook, a workshop, a mini course, a worksheet, like anything that provides a quick solution to someone's problem. I literally promote my freebies all the time on my Instagram and now on my YouTube as well. And I have over 8,000 subscribers in my email list, which I keep updating all the time. Alright, now moving to step 3, and that is to sell your digital products for free on autopilot, you will need a checkout page. A checkout page is where the magic happens. And if you don't know what is a checkout page, let me ask you this. Have you ever bought something online, and while buying something online, if you had to enter your name, your email, maybe your address, your credit card information and all of that, and then you purchase something online, that page right there where you enter all the information is what we call a checkout page. And that is what exactly you need to sell your digital products, because okay, you're posting content on social media, you're building your email list, but your customers will need a page or something where they can make the payment and buy your product, right? But how are they actually going to buy your digital product? The answer is that you will need to provide your checkout page so that they can make the payment and then get your digital product in return. So you also need to create a checkout page, and actually System.io also gives you free templates on your free plan which you can customize and make your entire process very easy. And inside my program, which is Passive Creators Hub, I literally give out my funnel templates for free. So my students, they just have to click on the link, export the funnel into their System.io account, and then they can customize it. Like this just makes the entire process so much easier. And once this is set up, what you're going to do is you're going to post content consistently on your social media platform. It can be Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube. I highly recommend you to start with Instagram because that is what I did as well. So once you start posting content, keep talking about your freebies, like your free products that you're offering, because whenever someone will need to purchase or get your free product, they will need to enter their name and email address, and in this way you can start building your email list. And then through your emails and your stories on Instagram, start sending your leads or your followers to your checkout page. Obviously everyone going to your checkout page will not buy, but a lot of people will if your offer is aligned and is actually solving an actual problem. And this is exactly how I sell my digital products without running any ads, and you can just copy my free strategy and start selling your digital products too. Now you might be wanting to learn how you can commit to this for 3 months, but how do you do that? It all starts by watching this video next, because when you combine what you learned in this video with this one, it just works wonders and you will get so much more clarity. So I will see you in the next video.